Moment, Gehlot is claiming support of 109 MLAs, 104 were present, plus 5 letter of support. That makes it 104 plus 105 equals to 109. This is Ashok Gehlot camp we're talking about. As far as Sachin Pilot camp is concerned, 17 MLAs, including him, which means it's 16 plus 1. And the message from High Command to Sachin Pilot is that we love you, we respect you, we are ready to welcome you with open arms. Please come and talk to us. That's the latest that is coming in. Big breaking story coming in right there. Gehlot claiming support of 109 MLAs. 104 were present, remember. Plus, they have 5 MLAs letter of support with them. So 104 plus 5 makes it 109 for Ashok Gehlot versus Sachin Pilot camp at 17. That includes him. So it's 16 MLA support plus 1, which is Sachin Pilot in that particular camp. And the message coming from High Command to Pilot is that we love you, we respect you, we are ready to welcome you with open arms. Please come and talk to us. Anand Patel is now joining us. Anand, this looks like Sachin Pilot seems to be an absolutely weak footing with just 16 MLAs supporting him, including him, which makes it 17. But on the other side, you've got the Gehlot camp that has 104 MLAs with 5 letters of support, making it 109. The numbers are speaking for itself right there, Anand, but things can change. It's politics at the end of the day. And the very fact that they've all been taken to the resort right there in Rajasthan also means that the Congress party somewhere is fearing some sort of a poaching attempt as well. Over to you.
That's right, Chaiti, that there's a very genuine fears within the Congress ranks because they have seen what has happened in Karnataka and in Madhya Pradesh. Only a handful of MLAs can topple a government. So clearly the Congress High Command is in no mood to let that happen, and that is why they are talking in reconciliatory mode to Sachin Pilot. Although he just has 17 MLAs, including him, so 16 plus Sachin Pilot, so that's 17. Whereas the Gehlot camp has managed to muster the support of 109 MLAs. 104 were present in the meeting, and 5 letters of support are there with Chief Minister Gehlot. So that puts him in a very strong footing. But the High Command has sent out a message, has reached out to Sachin Pilot, who's in a rebellious mood. They've said, whatever has happened. We are ready to welcome you with open arms. Please come and talk. So that is the message for Sachin Pilot from High Command. Now we've already listed out like leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka, Ahmed Patel, P. Chidambaram and K.C. Venugopal have already spoken to Sachin Pilot to try and persuade him to go to Jaipur and hold talks with the Gehlot camp so that a compromise can be reached, because they don't want an outsider, BJP, to take advantage of this infighting and an internal feud. So clearly, big message there from the Congress High Command trying to reach out to Sachin Pilot. Now the ball in his court as to how does he go about it, because if at all he digs in heel deep and tries to resign, then the numbers will change and that will have no impact on Gehlot. But Sachin Pilot will have to resign, his membership will go, and so as his MLAs. So clearly, the Congress party doesn't want that to happen. The High Command is still trying to find a way out of this impasse and trying to reach a compromise between the two factions so that Rajasthan can have a stable Congress government.
Yes, hold on right there. We're getting some more breaking news coming in right there. Let's go straight across to the breaking news is about the BJP calling for an immediate floor test. BJP's Amit Malviya in a tweet has said, and I quote, Ashok Gehlot must immediately call for a floor test, prove his majority, save Rajasthan the drama and get on with the business of governance. But if he is herding his MLAs to a resort, then clearly he does not have the numbers and is merely delaying the inevitable. That's the latest coming in right there. BJP calling for an immediate floor test. BJP's Amit Malviya going on to say that Ashok Gehlot must immediately call for a floor test, prove the majority, save Rajasthan the drama, get on with the business of governance as well. We've got Rahul Srivastav who is joining us live on this story. Rahul, according to Amit Malviya, all of this is optics at its best by Ashok Gehlot herding the MLAs to a resort because he's somewhere trying to delay the inevitable, quote-unquote, in Amit Malviya's words. How do you interpret this development and what Amit Malviya is saying? Of course, Amit Malviya is making a very opportunistic statement right there, but how do you read this?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.